The project that we are currently working on is a currently citywide analysis of soil components and looking to determine if there is lead content within the soils around the city of Muncie.
With United Way of Delaware County, we're trying to look into the kindergarten readiness of Delaware County, and one of the things we've been focusing on is that Delaware County actually has elevated blood lead levels, and we're trying to see if there's a correlation between that and soil lead levels to see if we can help remedy the problem and see where it all begins at.
First, we got data from some of the hospitals here in Delaware County, and we were using that to then map all that data of people who have had tested positive with lead, and then we mapped that and tried to figure out where potential contaminated areas are.
And in our case, it was multiple city public parks and any other public locations that we have access to.
And then from there we go and we sample little pieces of the dirt and we extract it using an acid digestion to actually analyze the amount of blood that's in each sample. And then we go back and plug those values into the map to see if there's a correlation.
Now we are starting to process those soil samples to see if there is lead in those soil samples.
To be able to work with the community and to know that our project is a start to something that's overall going to help the community, help the health, and honestly we do believe that our children are the most important part, and that's really where our focus is helping the future generations of Delaware County.
The students get to run it for the most part. It's been interesting to see how projects like this start and how they end up finishing. So that's been most rewarding, is just seeing how the big picture of how it all goes together.
Just being able to get together with different undergraduates that share in a passion to help out the community, whether that's through volunteering their time and efforts for different lab action, or going through and working towards accomplishing all of our field goals, be that in class time or out of class time.
Because this project is about like a 2-year, 1.5 year long project, and by the end of it we'd like to be able to say yes or no, there isn't any contamination in the soil.
This is just a start or a small portion of what United Way wants to accomplish. They really do want to solve this problem, but we have to figure out where it's coming from to start with.